GPS fence that lets your dog live life unleashed. All you need is the SpotOn collar and app to wirelessly contain your dog with patented true location technology. So there's no boundary too big for SpotOn and no hardware to install or maintain. It's easy to create custom boundaries with the app in minutes, simply by drawing the fence line or walking the perimeter of your desired fence for even more accuracy. With a little training, your dog will learn to stay within any boundary with 2 distinct tones as he approaches the fence, and then an optional vibration or static correction at the fence line. You can easily create keep-out zones within your boundary and set home zones to ensure your dog doesn't receive any false corrections while wearing the collar indoors. While your dog enjoys his newfound freedom, you can keep an eye on him from anywhere, anytime. And for added safety, if he ever does leave the fence area, you'll receive a notification and easily be able to track his movements using the app. SpotOn is built for active dogs and can store multiple custom fences for at home, on the go, or if you move. So you can take it to all of the places you love to be together. With SpotOn, you'll know your dog is running free, but not running into trouble, no matter how far you go from your front door. Life is better unleashed. Visit SpotOnFence.com to get started today.
Dog, come here. Come on, buddy.
It's Skippy! Skippy!
This is Max. And this is his pup, Lucy. Today, Max has an important meeting.
Hey there.
He needs to present the company's new project to investors without being disturbed.
Let me walk you through some project details, all right? So sorry for that. Fresh. So we have... What can I do?
Introducing HushPuppy, the world's first AI soundprint dog bark collar presented by OnChip.ai. HushPuppy is developed with lightweight neural network technology. If your dog barks at inappropriate times and disturbs your normal life, that's when you need it.
Fine. How does it
Work?
What if a barking sound originated from a neighbor's dog?
I understand your concern. With HushPuppy's NFSF technology, its field sound filter can accurately determine the spatial location of sound. It won't be triggered by barking that is more than 5 feet away. Of course, if you wish to socialize your dog, Simply allow it to freely showcase its charm. HushPuppy, the world's first AI soundprint dog bark collar, is seeking your support on Kickstarter.
Hush, puppy.
My name's Christian Schaff, and I'm the founder of Uncharted Supply Company. If you're anything like us here, your dogs are an important part of your family. But unlike the demands of your spouse and your kids, your dog just happily joins for every adventure, never voicing a concern or a need. It's our responsibility to look out for them. It's our responsibility to make sure your dog has what it needs to safely join you on any form of adventure. And this is often an overlooked task by most of us. Personally, I came face to face with this situation myself with my dog, Baron. A deep cut deep in the mountains left him clinging for life and a long ways from medical help. Fortunately, I was prepared and used the Uncharted triage kit to stop the bleeding, dress the wound, and get him to a vet with only moments to spare. As I sat in the vet office, waiting to see if my best friend would make it, my mind went to how I could have done this better, and what others would need if a similar situation happened to them. I personally wanted to solve this problem, wrapped in a waterproof package, making sure it's sterile and ready to go, even for the most adventurous of dogs. We've developed this collar in 2 sizes, medium large and large extra large. Uncharted is an award-winning leader in personal preparedness. Our products are trusted by government, professional agencies, as well as tens of thousands of families across the globe. And today we're excited to put our expertise to use in creating a safer, more fulfilling experience for our 4-legged family members as well. While we're only announcing this campaign today, this product has been in development for several years and is done. The factory has made final prototype samples, and all that's left now is to place the order. With your help, we can get these into the hands of tens of thousands of pet owners and make their pets' lives safer and more fun on a daily basis.